The top 25 fat-burning foods for women. A well-balanced diet is the most important factor for a healthy body. It may come as a surprise, but there are some foods that can help you lose weight faster and easier. Some of these foods actually burn fat while you eat them, while others can control your appetite, boost your metabolism or reduce salt and sugar cravings. This means that your diet should include healthy products that will help you lose weight. For that purpose, we have 25 foods that will help you burn the excess fat. Check them out. 1. Frozen berries. Berries are a great snack that is low in calories. To accelerate fat burning, try eating raspberries, cranberries, strawberries, and blueberries at least once a day. 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are rich in nutrients and low in calories. Try including more lemons, oranges, and grapefruits to your diet. They will improve your digestion. 3. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats. In fact, eating half an avocado a day can prevent overeating and eliminate belly fat. 4. Oatmeal. Rich in fiber, oatmeal can be the perfect breakfast for you. Add nuts, berries, and seeds, and there you have your breakfast that will reduce your appetite and keep you full longer. 5. Sweet potato. You can use sweet potato as a side dish. It will reduce your daily calorie intake. 6. Cinnamon. Cinnamon powder improves your metabolism up to 20%. Add it to your oatmeal, yogurts, and oatmeal to speed up fat burning. 7. Eggs. Eggs are rich in healthy fats and proteins. Boil 2 eggs in the morning and enjoy your healthy breakfast. 8. Mustard. It has been scientifically shown that mustard increases your calorie burn by 20%. 9. Protein powder. Using protein powder is an easy and effective way to supply your body with protein. To build muscles, you should drink it after workouts. 10. Ginger. According to studies, ginger is packed with acids which can lower cholesterol levels and boost metabolism. 11. Lean red meat. It is an excellent source of essential fatty acids, B12, folate, and iron. If you want to lose weight, make sure to balance your diet with pork, ham, lamb, bacon, and beef. 12. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper reduces appetite and boosts your metabolism. 13. Popcorn. Prepare your own popcorn with herb, and there you have a nutritious snack that is very beneficial for weight loss. 14. Cottage cheese. Low in calorie and high in protein, cottage cheese should be eaten for dinner with seeds and berries. 15. Chicken. Chicken is abundant with fat-fighting protein. To supply your body with the important vitamins and increase your satiety, consume grilled chicken with vegetables. 16. Fish. Fish has a high content of proteins and omega-3 fats. If you want to eat a fatty meal, try salmon, sardines, mackerel, or tuna. 17. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamins and antioxidants. This means that tomato salad is a perfect meal for your weight loss dinner. 18. Beans and lentils. Beans and legumes contain vitamins, fiber, and protein. To supply your body with the essential nutrients and burn extra fat, you should consume them with veggies. 19. Watermelon. Watermelon is an amazing fruit that contains a few calories and is very helpful for weight loss. 20. Whole grains. If your goal is to lose weight, it is very important to avoid white bread and white rice. Make sure to replace them with whole grains. 21. Water. We know that water is of utmost importance for our health. Drinking enough water on a daily basis can boost digestion and improve metabolism. 22. Nuts. Nuts have the ability to reduce hunger, lower cholesterol levels and aid weight loss. To get the maximum benefits, eat 20 grams of nuts a day. 23. Milk. Milk is packed with vitamin D and calcium, both of which are very beneficial for your health. However, it is very important to consume low-fat milk. 24. Veggies. Vegetables offer astonishing health benefits. They are low in calories and rich in nutrients. If you want to burn the fat, include veggies in your diet, especially broccoli, spinach, onions, carrots, and cucumbers. 25. Apples. Apples supply your body with fiber, minerals, and complex carbs, which means they are the perfect snack for weight loss.